Have you ever pulled a spoon from the drawer and noticed strange spots on it? Or wondered why your forks don't shine anymore, no matter how many times you wash them? You're not alone. What if I told you there's a hidden reason your flatware looks old and how fixing it takes less than 10 minutes? Flatware. It's something we use every single day. Forks, knives, spoons. But how often do we really look at them? Think about it. These little tools touch your food, go into your mouth, and then disappear back into a drawer. Most of us don't even notice them, until one day we pull out a spoon and see dullness, strange spots, maybe even rust. You pause. You washed it. The dishwasher ran last night. So why does it still look dirty? The truth is, your flatware is silently telling you something. It's not just about hygiene. It's about respect for the objects that serve us daily. And today, you'll see them in a whole new light. Let's bust a myth right here. Washing your flatware is not the same as cleaning it. Sure, the food is gone, but over time, residue from dish soap, minerals from hard water, and acids from your meals leave behind invisible layers of damage. You might not notice it at first. A tiny spot here, a dull patch there. But like all neglected things, it builds up. It's not about how often you clean, it's how you clean. Just like our bodies, our tools need deep care now and then. And your flatware? It's crying out for attention. You might think, so what if my spoon has a few spots? But here's where emotion and psychology come in. A beautifully set table brings pride. Serving guests with gleaming silverware sends a silent message, you matter. But when your tools are dull, the experience dulls too. Subconsciously, it tells your mind, this isn't special. And slowly, the sparkle leaves not just your spoon, but the meal, the moment, and sometimes even your self-esteem. That's why this isn't just about cleaning, it's about reclaiming pride in small things. Here's something most people don't know. Your tap water could be the enemy. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium that cling to flatware. Over time, they create a filmy, cloudy look. Combine that with certain dishwashing detergents that leave behind a residue, and you've got the perfect recipe for dull, lifeless flatware. But here's the kicker. This isn't your fault. No one teaches us this. No manual with your fork. No instructions on your spoon. But once you see it, you can't unsee it, and you'll never look at your flatware the same way again. Step 1. The rescue. A simple cleaning ritual. Ready for the solution? It's easier than you think. Fill a basin with warm water. Add a tablespoon of baking soda and a splash of white vinegar. Drop in your flatware and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This gentle solution breaks down residue, lifts stains, and removes buildup without scratching. Then, gently scrub each piece with a soft cloth or sponge, not steel wool. Rinse with clean water and dry immediately. Why dry right away? Because air drying invites those dreaded water spots again. That's it. No fancy tools, no chemicals, just attention, care, and a little bit of science. What about tarnish and rust? Now let's address a big fear. What if your flatware is already tarnished or rusted? Don't panic. You can still rescue it. For stainless steel with rust spots, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it to the rust, gently rub, and rinse. For silverware, real silver, use a silver polish or line a bowl with aluminum foil. Add hot water, baking soda, and salt. Place the silver on the foil. It'll draw out the tarnish like magic. It almost feels like watching time reverse. That's the beauty of restoration, giving things a second chance. Challenge to you. Tonight, before you sleep, go to your drawer. Take out your dullest spoon or most ignored fork. Clean it, polish it, see how it feels. You'll notice something strange. You'll feel peaceful. It sounds silly, but it's not, because that one spoon is the beginning of a shift from chaos to care, from routine to ritual, from dull to dazzling. If we have inspired you to clean anything you were ignoring, hit that like button. And if you believe everything deserves a second chance, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more. Comment below and let us know how your next meal feels after deep cleaning your flatware. Click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list, Resilient Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist.